Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to learn more about frequency tables. This problem right here, it did bother a lot of us in 4th grade. So I'm going to go ahead and read it so we can solve it. It says, the frequency table shows the favorite school lunches of some students. The table is missing the information for the number of students who chose a hamburger. So the title of the frequency table is favorite school lunches. Lunch choice, they have pizza, hamburger, chicken. It offered the tally marks, I guess whenever they were polling, and they have the frequency. So pizza, they had 32, hamburger, it's currently unknown, and chicken is 13. Let's see what they want us to do with this information. The number of students who chose a hamburger, the people that chose that hamburger, is half. That word half. Is half the number of students who chose pizza. So the hamburger quantity is half of the pizza. How many students chose a hamburger or chicken as their favorite school lunch? Hold on. First I need to figure out the half. Then I'm going to go ahead and answer this question that they're asking me. So for step 1, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to figure out how many hamburgers were picked or selected. So step 1, how many hamburgers? Okay. So one of the clues that is stated in the problem was that the number of students who chose a hamburger is half the number of students who chose pizza. So we can figure out the half of 32. That's going to give us the quantity for hamburgers. So how can I figure out the half of 32? Half of 32. I want to cut it in half. It's going to give me 2 equal parts. So I could divide it by 2. What do you guys think? Okay. Let's try that. Let's try halving 32 by dividing it by 2. Okay. So 2 times what can give me 3? I'm just going to put a 1. 2 times 1 gives me 2, right? I'm going to subtract it. It gives me 1. I'm going to go ahead and let you finish it off. Go for it. And I'll wait for you there. Okay. Did 2 times what give you 12? It's a 6, right? 2 times 6 is 12. And when you subtract it, it gives you 0. So you're basically done. So the half of 32 is equal to 16. So now we know that the hamburgers that were originally asked, there should be 16 tallies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1. That makes 16. And then for our frequency table, we'll just put the number 16. That's the number of times it was selected. Okay. Step 2 is answering that second part, the last question that's going to give us the final answer. It says, how many students chose a hamburger or chicken? So if they either got a hamburger or chicken, or they selected hamburger or chicken. So they're trying to combine these bad boys right here. Hamburger or chicken as their favorite school lunch. So I'm going to set up an equation. T for total equals hamburgers, should I say, plus chicken. So let's go ahead and set up our equation. This is what it would look like. So T we don't know yet, but we do know the H, which is the hamburgers. It's 16. And then we do know C, which is a chicken, which is 13, I believe that's what we have, 13. Okay. All we have to do now is add it to find the total. So let's go for it. 16 plus 13, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 2. So our total is equal to 29. And that's all we have to do. So the total of hamburgers and chicken are 29. So be careful when doing these types of questions because there are two questions embedded, meaning that they are inside of it. You first have to figure out the half and then combine the hamburger and the chicken. Okay? Thank you for watching. In and out.